It is June 27. It's 11:43. I have a tattoo appointment at 1 o'clock today. It is Saturday. I just got my missions done and my car washed. And I've got my little GoPro bag with a bunch of batteries in it that are charged and ready to go. We have Mocha, who is a Yorkie Chihuahua mix that we're dog sitting right now. We have the mess from this morning, and if you couldn't tell by this serious wide view, I am on the GoPro today, just because it's more discreet. I figured it'd be cool to shoot my tattoo. We'll try to shoot my tattoo with this. Speaking of, I need to check if I have my GoPro tripod in here. I do, so that's good. So I'm gonna try to walk all 3 crazy dogs. Let's see how this works. Okay, I've got my keys, phone, mask. I am 5 minutes late. Okay. Oh, come on, please. There we go. I can take these off. Let's do this. Okay. Need my wallet. Let's get the wallet. There we go. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, so I just got out of my tattoo appointment. It was 3 hours long. It is now 4:10, but this is the tattoo. I can show you better when I unwrap it eventually. I am heading home because I am starving and I have to pee, and since Rona is here, I can't pee anywhere, which sucks. Because, like, your girl, it's saying I'm gonna be home in 40 minutes. And I'm just like, 40 minutes? I can't hold it that long. But I got to, so no option. It's also, like, downpouring, so don't know what's happening there. I totally forgot how great it was to vlog on a GoPro, because I'm not one, especially with someone I don't know, like, so, I'm not so willing to just whip out a camera to vlog, but I did want to get some shots of me getting my tattoo, but this is not a normal artist that I go to, so I didn't want to be that awkward person, so I just brought in the small camera and set it down on the chair and was awkward about it. So yeah, I was not expecting it to take 3 hours, but he did a fantastic job. I'm gonna link him down below, his Instagram handle. He's in Connecticut. I went to Rocky Hill, Connecticut, so if you're near that area, I say go for it. Also, Jimmy and I, last minute, while I was actually at the appointment, got invited to a birthday party that's happening tonight. his really good friend Mike, who owns a steak grinder restaurant that we love. It tastes so good, and we're not just saying that and being biased. Like, I'm super picky when it comes to food in terms of is it good or not, and you know it's really good. So his girlfriend Kelly, her birthday is today, and we got a babysitter, aka my mom, and we're going to head there around 8:30. So I'm gonna eat dinner at home or order something. I don't know, I'm really feeling like ordering something because I'm starving now. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want it later, I want it now. So that may wind up happening. So I'm gonna actually call Jimmy and see if he can pick it up. Okay, but anyways, that's the stitch. That's what's happening. So that's the plan. This one, Love Never Dies. I want to get that removed. Yeah, if you want me to do a tattoo tour, oh my gosh, I just passed Burger King. And I didn't stop. It's very sad for me. I'm thinking of doing an updated tattoo tour. Let me know if you'd be interested in that, because I've gotten a bunch of new tattoos since my last tattoo tour, which I can also link down below, which was a couple of years ago. And at that point, I think I had like 50 something tattoos, so I was like still like heavily tatted at the time. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I wasn't, but now I'm even more tatted. So I don't know. But disclaimer on like tattoo tours, I don't want someone to steal a tattoo that's on my body. I don't think that's right. Maybe your artist can get like inspiration, but I feel like if an artist is willing to just take a picture of a tattoo from someone else and put it directly on your body, then they're not really an artist. That's just copycatting, and they just know how to use a tattoo gun. So okay, so I forgot to update you guys. I did wind up getting some food. I got some Chinese food. I already ate half of it. Got boneless spare ribs and white rice. And then I think we're gonna eat something at the party. So I didn't want to like fill up. I just did dishes, as you can tell, over here. And I'm soaking my daughter's like bottles and water bottles in there. I was just watching Riss and Kwan's new video. Got a bagel. Jimmy's taking Mocha out for a walk because I have made it very apparent that I'm not getting paid to dog sit. Therefore, I'm not going to dog sit unless he gives me a cut of what he's getting. So let's close this door and close this door. Oh, take my hair out. I put my hair back for washing dishes, but so I'm wearing this, I think it's like tan cream, whatever you want to call it, tank top. It's super, super soft. And it's from American Eagle. And these are American Eagle jeans, which, by the way, I think their sizing changed because I definitely did not lose weight over quarantine. But my jeans used to be, I used to get size 6 jeans, and these are size 2, and they fit perfectly, and they're so cute. And it's so hard to find like really cute, perfect jeans because I'm super picky when it comes to jeans. But yes, I'm gonna take this off before the party, and it's looking so good. I'm so happy with it. And yeah, that's just what's happening. Okay, so it is now 8:24. Boop. And I just got ready for tonight. It's 66 degrees out, so it's a little chilly. It's cold. And it's gonna get colder. So I'm wearing these jeans from American Eagle. These are size 0, so I'm really confused on what their sizing means, but these were really, really cute, and they were on sale. And then I'm wearing this yellow sweater because yellow is my favorite color, if you could not tell. And I have a yellow purse, but it's in my car. And it says Limonada. It's from H&M. I think it was like $14.99, so also really cute. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my mom, and I have to find the baby monitor for her. That is important, so she can look at the nugget. Where is it? Here it is. And then Mocha is going to bark when my mom gets here. So I'm gonna close her in with Jimmy. So it's not even an option. So yeah, I'm gonna walk outside and see if my mom's here because I located her and it said she was nearby. So that's her. Hello vlog. So we have continued this from yesterday's vlog where I got the tattoo, and just as an update, here it is. It feels swollen, like it feels fat to me, and it's hot to the touch. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Love it. Outfit of the day. This is from Forever 21. These pants are from Marshalls for $12, and I've got my Walmart sandals on that I wear all the time. But yeah, so that's what's happening. It's really, really hot out. I just turned my car on. I'm meeting my mom and sister for lunch at Chili's. And yeah, also if you want a video on how I take care of a tattoo, that could also be another thing we could do. Actually, I'm writing that down. Okay, we made it to Chili's. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. We're at Chili's. Got my face mask on. It is 83 degrees outside, so that really sucks for me. But I'm gonna see if I can find my mom. Gotta get the munchkin out. Gotta fix my pants. Oh, I think I see my mom's car, so let's grab the purse. And yeah, time to grab the munchkin. This is what the munchkin's wearing. Oh.